Okay, so today we are just going to see this concatenate function. So this concatenate function basically helps you to concatenate the multiple cells value or multiple functions output into a single cell. Like we have already seen the text to column, right? So text to column, what the text to column does, it it split the data into the multiple columns. But concatenate is a vice versa. If multiple column value you want to show in the single cell, or multiple functions output you want to show in the single cell, so that will be known as a concatenate. So like for example, here I have this column A and column B. In column, the first name are available. In column B, the last name are available. And here you have to capture this. Jen, then space, then Potter. So in this text, the things which we have to just capture it. So in this, how many texts are there? How many texts?
2 words.
3. Because space is also here,
Right.
right? So one is basically the Jen, second is a space, and the third is a Potter, right?
Okay.
So here I will guys, please be on the mute if you do not have any question. If you have any question, then please unmute yourself and ask it. Okay, thank you. So here the concatenate. Now it says the text one. Which text you want to add the first? I said Jen, comma. It says text two. The second space which you want. So second is what? Second is a space. This is my second text, comma. Third is Potter. So I have added 3 texts, A2, space, and B2. So A2 is what? Jen, then space, and B2 is what? Potter. So my final outcome will be the Jen space Potter. See, right? And if I drag this formula, I will be able to see all the names are concatenated together.
Sir, I have one question. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have received the sheet not like this. It is, I have received the sheet if, nested if, or, and, error handling, ISNA.
So that would be the 2.2. That file, but this file is a 2.1, so you must have received the 2 file, day 2.1 and 2.2.
Okay.
So
okay,
we are
I got it.
okay, yeah. Now here the same thing which we have achieved by using this concatenate function, the same thing you can perform through the ampersand also. So first of all, the ampersand is not a function. Okay, so don't think about that you will write ampersand like this. No, ampersand, this and sign is called as a ampersand. Okay, so how you will perform through the ampersand? So simply I said equals to, and then whatever the cells you have to achieve, you have to tell that I said I want to add the A2 and space and B2. That's it. A2 and space and B2. So all the things will club together and it will give you the same result which you are getting through the concatenate function. Okay, if I just drag it down, you will be able to see that all the names are concatenated. So whatever the result you will be achieved by the concatenate function, the same you can achieve by the ampersand also by using this and sign. Now, for example, you are receiving a text like here. Suppose here you have a text like it is written like this, Amit Kumar Tomar. But here you can see this data is unsystematic. Okay. Now I want to convert this data into the systematic manner. It means the proper manner. So proper way will be what? If you write this name as a proper, so in the Amit, A should caps, in the Kumar, K should caps, and in the Tomar, T should caps, right? So if you want to convert that, use this proper function equals to proper and just select this cell and close this and enter and see. It is giving you the name as a Amit Kumar Tomar, right? If you want all the letters should be in the uppercase, capital letter. So use the upper function and select this. So all the letter will convert into the uppercase. If you want all the letter in lowercase, so use the lower function and text. So all the letter will be in the lowercase now. See. So we have a three case in which we can convert any of the text. That is a proper case, uppercase, and the lowercase. Okay. Now, if you have this column A and column B, where you can see you are getting some unsystematic data. In the some places, the first name is written in lowercase. In the some places, it is written in the uppercase. Same here, you can see in the last name. So data can be in any of the way. But my requirement is that I want to concatenate the first name and the last name together. But whatever the output will come, that should be in the proper case. It means in the gen, J should be in the upper letter, and in the Potter, P should be in the upper letter. So here, what I will do, I will just concatenate this one. So either you can use concatenate function or the ampersand, which we have seen, right? Now, whatever the result is getting generated by this concatenate, this result needs to convert into the proper case, right? So before this concatenate, use the proper function. Simple. And once I press enter, you can see it is giving you the proper result. J in uppercase, right? Remember, when you use the multiple function together, like here I have used the proper function and the concatenate. So multiple functions combinations are known as a nested function. Okay, multiple functions combinations are known as a nested function. And when you use the nested function, so nested function execution is start from right to left, or you can say the function which is far from the equals to sign, that will execute first. So in this case, which function is the near from the right hand side, or which function is far from the equals to sign? Concatenate, yes or no? Right.
Yes.
So
Right.
this concatenate function will execute first, and once this will execute, you will get the result like the C2 cell, correct? And whatever the result will get generated by this concatenate, on that the proper function will work, and it will give you the final result. Okay, so example I'm just giving you. For example, suppose you have used the three function A, B, and C. Let's take example. So first of all, the C function will execute. Then whatever the result will get generated by the C function, on that B function will work. Then whatever the result will generate by the B function, on that A function will work, and you will get the final result. Okay, in this way, or in this terminology, the nested functions actually works. Okay, now if I drag this down, so you can see you are getting the first name and the last name as a proper case. Here you can see for the Timothy receipt, the Timothy was in uppercase in my database, but here you can see it is showing in the proper case, right? So this is basically the concept of the proper. I want upper letter, I can use upper function, and here I can use the concatenate or the ampersand, anything. Like here I say this A2 and space and B2 and enter, you see. If you drag it, all the letters are in uppercase now, right? Same, lowercase, use the lower function and use the concatenate or the ampersand, and you will see that. If you drag it, see, all the functions are in the lowercase now. Anyone is speaking? What is mean? It is there is some background noise from my end? It means you are saying or what?
No, I don't think there's any background noise.
Okay. Because someone has written in the chat window, anyone is speaking, and Imran said yes. So from my end, the voice is completely clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now you can just try this one. Okay. In the same file,
Do
just
we
try.
write a do we add any plus in between A2 space
N-
A3?
Uh, here, this one,
Yeah.
it means you are saying like this. Like here, I say this plus this like this.
Yes.
No, this plus will not work here. This plus will work as a sum to add. But
Okay.
here, this plus will work, it will not work as a concatenate. See, if I say this plus this, see, it is showing me the value error. Na?
Right.
This function basic, this plus sign basically work as a concatenate in the programming language, in the sum of the programming language.
Okay.
Like in the Python, you can use that, but not here.
Does this also work in Google Sheet Excel?
There ampersand
Okay.
and sign. Huh.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Sir,
So
can you please show us the concatenate formula once again?
This one equals to concatenate. Then there I have given the text which I just need to add. So first I have just given the A2, which is gen, then comma second text I have just given the space between these double quotes. Here is a space, you can see, and then B2. So all the names will concatenate together, first name and the last name. Okay. Just try this everyone at your end and confirm me.
and ampersand is going to
Hmm.
work both in Excel and
Huh.
ampersand is going to work in Google Sheet, but they are
Right.
the same.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
I did the same formula for concatenate, but uh, it did not give me the result.
You are working in the Excel, right?
Yes.
Sir, having the same issue.
Can anyone share the screen who are getting the same issue, please?
Is it showing, sir?
Huh. Now click here. Now
For
select
me, for me it
no,
is working because I did not add
comma,
ex com,
com, comma.
I did not add x equal to.
Comma?
Then in double quotes, give the space. Double quote close. Comma. Select this B2 cell. B2. Close bracket and enter.
Yes,
It,
giving.
yeah, it's working now.
Thank you,
When
sir.
yeah, when you will write it completely, then you will be able to see. Okay, yeah, welcome.
Ampersand formula again.
This one.
Okay.
Difference between concatenate and ampersand here.
In the output, there is a no difference. But if I say in the terminology, so concatenate is a function, but ampersand is directly the cell reference. You are writing na equals to concatenate, correct? But in the ampersand, we are directly giving a cell like A2, B2, C2, whatever.
If I'm adding plus instead of is equal to in ampersand,
Plus will not work na here.
no,
Uh,
is equal to के against अगर मैं plus add करूँ तो भी it is working.
Sir, can you go to
In
one
place of equals to, you are saying, right?
Yeah.
Before that, it will work. Before
Okay.
that, here, if I just put this minus na, I am getting this error, right? In
Yeah.
the but here, if you just add this plus sign, it will work.
Yeah.
Okay. But before this plus, okay, directly if I write you the plus, see, automatically it's checking equal sign.
And
And now,
directly plus adding plus is also working.
Sir, can you go to one contact?
if you directly add this plus, like, look, I'm just adding this plus,
Yeah.
I'm pressing enter, but after execution, it has taken the equals to sign automatically or not.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this plus sign basically you can use when you want to change the sign type. Okay. That in the numeric calculation, but we do not prefer this one. In the some
You want to
places you will
change.
also
Sir,
always use the in any of the function when you want to start use the equal sign.
Okay.
Okay.
sir, can you go to the concatenate once? See it. Okay. I'm trying, it's not coming. Why?
Just match it. Have you written the same thing which you are able to see on
Yeah,
my
no,
screen?
now, yeah, I got it, got it. Now it came. Maybe like I have like on the box, that's why it's not coming. It came.
In lower, we have to type is equal to and
Yes.
proper. Okay. That do we can we get a for all the formulas that we are learning? Can we get a booklet or something?
Mm, that I will discuss at the end of the session when all the things will get covered. Huh?
Okay.
Just theoretical part related that I will cover. Yes.
Okay. So like we want all the formulas in written.
Hmm. Yes.
You will provide it. Thank you.
Yes.
Just click on upper formula as well. Yeah, thanks.
Hmm.
2 is equal to upper plus
Hmm.
plus A3 or like something like that.
Here you can use any of the cell.
Yeah, so that will also work, right?
Huh?
So in ampersand, it will take automatically, right? We no need to give that context text ampersand. We no need to give, right?
No, directly you have tried like this.
Okay. Go to proper. So here we need to give the like proper proper
Yes.
concatenate.
In place of this concatenate, you can also use the ampersand. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I'm having a problem with proper. Can I share my screen?
Please confirm me. Have you written in the same way first of all? Just match it. If you are not getting the result, then please share the screen.
I am writing uh, is equal to upper. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Bracket, first bracket,
Hmm.
A2,
Hmm.
then and,
Hmm.
then double inverted comma,
No.
space,
Huh. Huh. Huh.
then double inverted comma,
Then and then B2.
then and, then B2.
Hmm.
Right.
You are
Yes.
getting the result?
1 second. And B2, comma closed.
You can
Yes,
see.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Same you can do with the lower, where you have used the upper or the proper. There you can put the function as a lower. This is the assignment for you guys. Okay. Which you guys have to complete it offline. So this is the assignment. And now we are going to see the real scenario case, and this is the interview question which is asked into the multiple organization. Okay. So please focus on my screen. Here you have these two columns, name and the date of joining. And in this column D, I'm looking for this kind of output. So just understand this kind of output, what exactly this one is, right? So in this, firstly, you just need the Bonnie Potter, which is the name, and you can get it from the column A. Then you have to write this join has joined on, which is the manual text. You can write in double quotes. And after that, the date 3/17/2018. This is a date of joining which you can get from the column B, and all the things should combine together and display in a single cell. So for this, we can use either concatenate or the ampersand. So if I just write equals to concatenate, I said this is the text one, Bonnie Potter, comma. Then what we have to write? Has joined on. So in double quotes, I have given the space has joined on. Okay, comma. Then we have to pick the date. So this is a date. Once I just press the enter, everything seems fine, but my date is coming in the number format 43176. Right? It should come what? It should come the 317. So remember, in the last class, I have told you one function where I say this is the function which will help you to change the format of any value. What was that function name?
Text form
Very good,
function.
text function, right? So which cell value you want to change into the format? B2.
B2.
So before B2, put the text function, and I said this B2 cell should be changed into the month, day, and year format. You can give any format. I'm just giving that format in which I want to display, like the B2 cell. Okay. If I press the enter, you can see it is reflecting in the same, right? And now if I just drag it, I will just get this one, the result for each and every record. So here you can see the Bonnie Potter has joined on this date, Ronnie Proctor has joined on this date, and so on and so forth. Right. Now, the second one here, I have given you the name and the score, which is into the percentage, and I'm just looking for like Bonnie Potter has scored this much percent. So what you will do, concatenate Bonnie Potter, then I say has scored, then percentage, this one, enter. So that 76% is now showing as a 0.76 in general format, but we have to display in the percentage. So we will use the text function, and I say just convert this into the 0%. 0 basically used for the number format. If I enter it, you can see 76. But if you want to show the display, the decimal places, then I can use the dot 00. 20 means two decimal places. 10, one decimal place. Enter it. If you do Control D, you can see the result. Okay. So if you are not aware from the text function, then you will not be able to solve this problem. Okay. So just try this at your end, and then for column E, also just try that one. I'm looking for this kind of output. Bonnie Potter has joined on. Date format should be like this. And in bracket, I also need the day of date of joining. Okay. I'm pasting this formula here for your reference. This one. This is a column D formula, and then pasting this percentage, this one. So for this, you have this formula. And for this column E, you have to show into this pattern in column E. Just try to solve this, everyone, at your end, please. Sorry.
Sir, I have received the sheet without any date of joining date.
In column B, there will be the date of joining.
There is no date of joining, sir.
Others also, can you please confirm in the file there is a no date of joining?
So we have a date of joining.
Yeah, so date of joining will be there. Yes. The same file team has shared with everyone. Can you please recheck or re-download that?
Sir, like this, it is coming.
Make this auto fit. Just expand this B column little bit. Huh.
Okay, okay.
Screen, please.
Yes, yes.
It is our assignment, right? Concatenate with proper. So
Yes.
should we submit this five chapter?
No, 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 no. This is not. That's what I explained in the starting. This is on for the daily basis you are getting that one. Okay. Not this one. Once after the 3 to 4 session, na, I will just keep one session basically for the assignment where I will prepare the 10 to 12 questions which
Okay.
you guys have to solve in this session itself, which is combination of all the things which we have covered till that. So
Okay. Okay.
that assignment you have to submit.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not able to get the result for the first concatenate.
For the first concatenate, which one? Column?
Yeah, the whole when I'm adding the text formula.
So can you see that? Have you missed any bracket or the comma?
No, I have not missed any when I've rechecked.
Okay. If I am okay, I'm pasting this formula in the chat window. Okay.
Okay.
Just copy this and paste it into your file and see it is giving you the same result.
Yeah. Okay.
So now if you match what you have written, so somewhere the comma or the bracket is missing probably.
Okay.
Now we have the okay. So this column everyone is getting now. If not, then let me solve it. See, the same column E I'm just using first of all. Now, only what is the requirement? See, first of all, date format should be like this: dd hyphen mm hyphen yy. So I will just change dd hyphen mm hyphen yy. Then after that, what is the requirement? Tell me.
Day,
Day. But
day.
okay,
They
but can you see
in
here
bracket.
a space and then the bracket, right? Look, I given the space
Yes.
in bracket. Remember, for the entire day, I have told you the use of 4D, right? And now if I press enter, see, right? Can you see this one? This is only you have to do. The other people who has done this one, have you used the to text function? Who has confirmed in the chat window that they have done this? So if they have done this column E requirement, have you used the to text function? If yes, then there was not required. those